Hello friends, welcome back to CS Lectures. In this video, I would like to explain the pointer arithmetic of part 1a. So here in this video, I will explain how to decrement a pointer variable. So let's see by a small program how pointer variables are declared and how they are decremented. So here I'm writing a program has include is the preprocessor directive. It includes the header files inside the program. So sttio.h. It means standard input output header file. This header file contains printf and scanf functions. Printf function along with scanf functions. Other functions also they contain, but these two functions we will use inside this program. So after that, I am declaring void main. It means this is the beginning of the main function. When main function starts, we must have to write void main or int main. So here I am declaring a variable int x is equal to suppose 50, comma asterisk ptr semicolon. Now I am declaring ptr is equal to address of x semicolon. After that, printf first the address of x is equal to %d double quotation end ptr bracket and semicolon. After this statement, I am decrementing the pointer variable ptr minus minus or minus minus ptr semicolon. Then printf the address of x after decrementing is equal to %d double quotation end comma ptr bracket and semicolon. Main function closes. So here x is a variable which stores the value 50. Suppose the address, this is the address, and this address will be stored by the pointer variable. Suppose this is ptr, and inside ptr we have to write address. So this address will be pointed like this. So the address of the variable x, this is the address of operator, address of x. The address of x will be assigned to ptr. The address of x will be assigned to ptr. Suppose the address may be 1001 or 1000. This is assigned to ptr variable because it is a pointer variable. It stores the address of another variable. So when in the first printf statement, I declare the address of x, it will display the original address of x. But after decrementing that pointer variable, I will get the decremented address of this pointer ptr. Okay, so let's see with the help of my dev C++ editor how the address will be displayed. Here, one thing everyone can notice that the address is not assigned by the user. The computer automatically gives an address or assigns the address to a variable. Okay, so here I'm declaring has include sttio.h void main bracket closing bracket int x is equal to 50 comma asterisk ptr semicolon. Now ptr is equal to address of x semicolon Now printf within double quotation address of x is equal to percentile d comma ptr bracket and semicolon. Next ptr minus minus. We are decrementing the ptr variable, pointer variable. Next printf within double quotation address of x after decrementing is equal to percentile d comma ptr semicolon. Now my program is complete. Let's compile it and see what is the output. So when I will compile it, it will ask me to save the program. So I will have to save the program first. Suppose I am saving in the name of ptr12. Next, save as will be C source files with .c extension. When I will save it, the compilation result will automatically come errors and warnings at 0. Here, my program is correct. So let's run the program by clicking on this button, run button. So when I will run, it is displayed like this. So here, I want to add a new line character so that it will be printed line by line. Here you can see the address of X is 6487572. That is, last two digits are 72, but the last two digits are here 68. It means it has been decremented. So the pointer variables are decremented like this. Pointer variables can be can operate on arithmetic operations. So in this way, we can decrement a pointer variable. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Here I will say one thing. This is a very good feature of Dev C++. By using control and scroll button of the mouse, we can increase and decrease the font of the texts or font of the programs. Okay, so use it. This will be amazing. Okay, so if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.